Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Jhadc ka dan kam hadu praklur sauhusan lak san pukandai hajar nriu spa anyo pukandai tingka shibnai ban siu tulop bat pension ya ki MDC Barim ki nongtre bat ki nongtre bala shongthat yatho u chief executive member jong ka Jhadc uba thombor shiwat haba jubab ya ka jinkali jong MDC ka congress na amwi kleterchi bat u chief executive member Barim uba madon bai rembai ha ka dorbar liur kabala long ha ka arpusau tari ubnai naitung arhaja apusan uba rembai ula kali Katno kade ka gross domestic product ne ka GDP jong ka council haman ka budget bat na kalyang jong chief executive member jong ka Jhadc ula jubab ba ulala ban ai tang ka gross domestic accumulation ne ka pelnut pensep haman ka budget uba rembai ula kentho ya uba shiwat ba ulade UCEM la hnyosnem kumta ude ban la ban ai ka jubab ka pasai.
Just I want one supplementary question. In this question number 2, may I know what is the GDP of the council revenue per budget? That is approximately, not exactly. May I know the GDP of the council, gross domestic product. Kejila lagi warak budget kan one part bisa harga budget kemudian you are one of the veteran CM in this council. You continue nearly 7 years. You know, I think very clear what is the gross domestic product per budget in the council collected.
Mr. Chairman sir, I think over the gross domestic collection untuk konkret, mengingat konkret yang revenue collection under each head of the council kita teman ini. Jadi bukan dari gross domestic collection kan kita menentukan dari nasional panjang.
I don't mind Mr. Deputy Chairman sir. More than nearly 7 years we are wrong administration. You should be study carefully, no? So we cannot make we cannot accept. You have to say no. Yes, under process. Yes, I still am under process to matter like that. Not the way to say no. Not yet. Jangan terus sampai yang itu wawin merupakan dengan collection revenue teman lagi dengan teknologi kami terhadap GDP gross domestic product. Compare dengan man budget ngomong exactly on the woman approximately to that. I urge the executive committee of the day will work hard and take necessary steps and make this hardworking and will be run the administration in a smooth functioning. Let this time will be coming up for restoration of the machinery of the council in a very soon for the best in the near future.